Tired of losing all your bookmarks when switching to DuckDuckGo? In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to import them from any browser. No more starting from scratch, no more digging through old menus trying to remember what you had saved. We are going to get this done right now. So here is the plan. First, you will open your DuckDuckGo browser. Then, we will click through the menu, find the Bookmarks section, and hit that Import button. I will walk you through every single click so you can follow along on your own screen without getting lost.
Let us dive in. Start by opening your DuckDuckGo browser. Just launch it the same way you would open any app on your computer. It does not matter if you are on Windows or a Mac. The process is exactly the same from here. Go ahead and get that window up on your screen. Now, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You will see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and click on those 3 lines. That is your main menu. Think of it as the control center for everything you can do inside DuckDuckGo. Once that menu opens up, you will see a list of options. Look for the one that says Bookmarks. Click on that. This takes you to a screen where you can see all of your saved bookmarks. But since you are switching from another browser, that list might be completely empty right now. Do not worry, we are about to fix that. At the bottom of this bookmark screen, you will see a button that says Import Bookmarks. Click on that. This is the magic button. It tells DuckDuckGo that you want to bring in data from somewhere else instead of manually typing every single link by hand. A new window will pop up asking you to choose another browser where you want to import from. This is where you pick your old browser, the one you have been using. So if you are coming from Chrome, click on Chrome. If you are coming from Firefox, click on Firefox. Edge works too. Just select the browser that has all of your saved bookmarks. And here is the really important part. Once you have selected that browser, click on the button that says Import Now. This tells DuckDuckGo to pull all of that data over. It might take a moment to process, especially if you have a lot of bookmarks saved up over the years. Just give it a second. After it finishes scanning, DuckDuckGo will ask you to select a profile. In my experience, most people only have one profile on their browser, so it will probably be the default one. But if you have multiple profiles for work or personal stuff, pick the one that has the bookmarks you want. Double check that it is the right one before moving on. Go ahead and click on Continue. This confirms your choice and starts the actual transfer. The next screen will ask you one more time, just to make sure you are not about to overwrite anything important. It will say something like, "Are you sure you want to import these bookmarks?" Click on Yes. That is the final confirmation. And that is it. All of your bookmarks from your old browser are now sitting safely inside DuckDuckGo. You can go back to the Bookmarks menu and see them all listed out, exactly like they were before. You do not have to lose anything when you switch. Every link you saved, every folder you organized, it all comes along for the ride. Now you can browse with peace of mind.